What were some of the challenges that you faced before you joined this 3-day workshop?
My challenges is that I want to help more. So I cannot, there's only one me. So I cannot do that to many people. There's so many people I want to help, but I want to target women because I think I understand women more. We keep a lot of emotion in us. Sometimes we don't even know how to release the emotion, and it is hard to share something which is too deep to you. I feel that to have a course, a learning portal where they can actually, I can impart some of my knowledge, then they can do it at their own personal time is good. That's why when I found the course that you're offering, it attracted me because I have already that in my mind, to do such course, and it just happened to be there.
You are already working with a group of women, helping them, but you realize the limitation of time and energy, and therefore you want to look into drafting your own course so that you can have more time to work with your people, right?
Yes, definitely.
How would you describe before and after? So after 3 days, did you find that the course was helpful?
Yes, definitely. The course helped me, especially in doing research. I did research before, but not as deep. I can get help from AI. And what you gave me is everyone will have help in doing research and social media posting and even writing email. Yeah, I tried to do it before, but it's very time consuming. So what I learned from you really saved me a lot of time. So that's really, really helpful.
So before coming, you did try to do some of the things, but having learned what we offer in the course, you realize that you can do it faster, easier, and also you found ways where you can research deeper, right? So how is this going to help you moving forward? Or maybe I shall rephrase it. Do you now feel that you are more ready to create your course?
Yes, more ready than before. Before, this is all in my mind. Now, at least I have a guide. I know what to do. I even have work that you gave us the workbook. So we have practice, which is very good. Otherwise, we can just go listen and never do anything. A lot of people do that when they attend a webinar or workshop, or it will be forgotten. So I think what you did is very good because you give us a chance to do it on our own. Without that, I think it won't be, it's just one way of us listening, learning, but doing that practice, and after that you review it with us. That one is actually very, very good.
So you found the hands-on work helpful, and as also the discussion we had afterwards, because when you have done your work, you feel that you're able to ask relevant questions, real implementation questions, right?
Yeah, exactly.
So moving forward, what would be the first thing you would do after the course now is over?
I will put my effort into designing the course, and don't have to complete to have the whole module. Just start with what you have. So probably 1 to 3 module, then I can start my course. So that's actually give me motivation. Yeah, that's actually very good.
So you feel that it is very doable for anyone to be able to create a course, right? You were able to finish it the first day.
Yes, you can do it the first day you with help. Otherwise, time run very fast. It's already March. You may not be able to do anything without help. We must admit that with AI, we have tools. It's just like driving a car instead of walking, right? So why not we just use the tools that given, and with that we can start whatever that we plan to do.
So the structures, the tools, the roadmaps, those were helpful to help you at least feel that it is now easier and maybe can help you finish your course faster, right?
Yeah, it's easier, definitely much easier. So this one is really something that I want. And for those who have a lot of wisdom, I think they should take this course. Otherwise, we will die with the wisdom that we have.
So your advice is that those of us who have lots of experience, lots of wisdom, we really want to package it into a course so that we leave something behind of use to the next generation, right? And that's a very beautiful way of putting it. So what would be your advice to maybe some of your friends, your colleagues who might be thinking of creating courses? What would you say to them now that you have seen how doable this is?
Oh, for me, my advice is just do it. At the same time, be open to learning from someone and the tools that are available right now. It makes things fast, save you time because time is actually, well, it's very, very important. Yeah, if you can save time by paying a little bit more, why not?
So what would be one of your biggest takeaway from having attended this workshop?
My biggest takeaway is knowing that I can do it very fast. In fact, very even in a day, if I'm not overthink it, because I have to admit I overthink, a bit of a perfectionist. But if I don't, can even create a course in a day. And it's really, really easy. It's really doable. And maybe you may need one accountable partner, friend to push you. That's all. The rest of the thing is, it can be done. It can be done.
That's great. That's great. So given the tools, given the strategies, the structures, this is really something that is doable for everyone. Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you have any other thing you would like to share with us?
I think at the same time, when you invest in something like this, as for me, I can also help my family member. I have two daughters who are actually very talented. One is a writer, one is very good with art. I always encourage them to start sharing their knowledge. So if they can create a simple course in one day and just share it online with their friend, that's very good. So I advise people to keep on learning. You never know what it can bring you or who will benefit, who can you bless it with. So it's a very good investment. This course is
Yes.
a very good investment for me.